Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hello guys, how you doing? Back with me again, Vorhesz. And today I'm gonna make a tutorial of how to ride a scooter on a speed breaker or speed bumper. Okay? So basically you need the stop and go technique. Before you get to the speed breaker, you need to slow down a bit and braking, so the contact of your tire and the speed breaker is not really hard. Then after the first tire or the front tire get through the speed breaker, then you can go again or use your throttle moving forward. Okay, I'll show you right now, just right now. Okay, just going slowly, easy and slow, and this is a speed bumper and I'm braking for, yeah, that's a nice, not too hard. And the effect of this, you will get out of balance easily if you didn't do the, after the first tire past the speed breaker, if you didn't do the gas or the throttling, twist it a bit, you're out of your balance. Just like this, braking, pass, and then you can hear the sound engine, my scooter. When my first tire completely passed the speed breaker, then I twist the throttle again. Okay, let's do this again. Braking, pass, and twist the throttle. Okay, again, slow down a bit. Braking, pass, and twist the throttle again. So the theory is easy, the practice is easy. There's easy things to do. Slow down a bit, get a little braking, pass, and twist the throttle. Start slowly, just a couple of meters before you get or you reach the speed breaker. I usually loosen my gas. Okay, so this, I still twist the gas, I hold it, then a couple meters, then I lose it, I brake, let my front tire pass, then twist the throttle, so the rear tire can also pass the speed breaker. Okay, braking, pass, and go again. Okay, loosen the gas, braking, through, and twist the throttle again. That's easy, simple. You can do it just like this. Normally people with that size of speed breaker, they just get passed through. They not really slow down, they're not braking. If you riding a scooter and get a speed breaker just like this, you don't brake, you can still pass it, but that's a hard one. That's a little bit pain in your back. You can still pass it. If you didn't do that, you still can pass it, but that's really hard. Slow down a bit and good to go. So that's how you pass a speed breaker on a scooter. I you get through the speed breaker with really good, not that hard. It's, yeah, just like that. So yeah, you can keep practicing like a couple of times, then you get better and get used to pass a speed breaker. So keep on practice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.